Hi, today we are very glad to be here to introduce our hot coffee maker to everyone. It is a 3-in-1 coffee maker. You can use ground coffee, coffee pot, and a coffee capsule with it. Here you can see we have 3 filters for one respectively. This is for ground coffee, this one is for coffee pot, and this is for coffee capsule. And we have a holder here. Pay attention please if you use the capsule function. You need to take the pin out of the holder. Okay, now let's start to make a cup of coffee with our coffee maker. First, let's turn on the machine at the back and press the on-off key. You can see the red line is twinkling. When it becomes solid red, we can make a cup of coffee. And today we'll show you use the capsule to make the coffee. Okay, it's done. Take the holder out and take the pin out of the holder. Put the capsule filter here. And connect the holder to the machine. Here we'll put a cup. Then turn on the knob to the coffee position. Look, a cup of coffee is done. And if you like a cup of cappuccino, our machine can also meet your ends. First, we have to press the steam key, and you can see the green line is also twinkling. When it becomes solid green, we can use the steam function. Okay, it's ready. And here's a cup of cold milk. And turn the knob to the steam position. Add the milk to the coffee. A cup of cappuccino is done. And after you use the steam function, press the steam key again, the machine will cool down. Okay, that's it. And we hope you can enjoy a cup of good coffee with our coffee maker. Thank you, bye.